Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake token in Binance Exchange account. Okay, so while we are waiting for their price to increase, because we all know that most of the cryptocurrency price already decreased because of what happened to Bitcoin or to other leading cryptocurrency. So while waiting for the recovery of the price of cryptocurrency, I will teach you how to stake the coin or token that you have on your Binance account. Okay? So as you can see, I am in my overview of my account in Binance Exchange. We will click this spot button. Okay. So while waiting for these tokens or coins to increase its price, all we have to do is to stake the token, the available token for staking here in Binance Exchange. Just click this home button. Okay, then click this more and look for the staking button. Okay, so this one. And you will see here a lot of token or coins already in the program of staking in Binance Exchange. Some of them is already sold out, like this one. It's already sold out. So all you need to do is to find which one is available. Okay, just click this available only. Okay, so then scroll up. So you can choose what token you are going to stake. Okay, so reminder, the token that you should stake here or the coin that you should stake here must be in your spot balance or available balance. Okay, if you do not have a coin or a token that you want to stake from your spot balance, you cannot stake it here. You should have a balance. Okay, for example, if you want to stake Bake token, you should have a balance of Bake token on your spot wallet. Okay, so okay, let's try the Bake token. I have some of Bake token balance. Okay, click 15 days if you want to stake it for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. While they have a promo 26.79%, so I have to grab this 15 days staking. Okay, so click stake now, and as you can see, there is a minimum 0.1 bake and maximum of 100 bake. Okay, so I will stake all the bake token that I have. This one available balance is 22 bake. As you can see, stake date is 6/04 of June 4, 2021. The value date will be started on 6/05. Interest end date will be 6/19 or June 19, 2021. And the redemption period is 1 day. Redemption date will be on June 21, 2021. So estimated APY is 26.79%. So the next thing to do is to enter the quantity of Bake token that I have to stake. But what I need to do is to stake all my Bake token while waiting for its price to rise again. So I will click max. Okay. Then agree to the terms and condition. Okay. Then confirm purchase. As you can see, there's a redemption date. So my Bake token will be redeemed by June 21, 2021. Okay, so it's already locked. Just click this done button. Okay, so if you click this button, you will see here the history of the token that you already stake. Okay, so I have stake amount 22 bake token, lock period 15 days, and interest, you will see the interest here. Okay, so that's it guys. So if you are new to my channel, just click subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.